Today's session we have that is going to be about session number 7, challenges in media planning. I have already told a lot about what is media, what factors help in deciding which media should be select, how the advertisement should be done. There are some tips that have been given on the link. The description, the link has been already given on Moodle, so you all can please go through it. And else you can also see my screen. It's given by bewits.com, media planning. We are going to start about the same code that I told in the last class, that was about TNS. If I have to book a slot in television or I have to broadcast a message on radio, then I should buy time. Whereas space is bought in or purchased in, these are all kind of slots. Time is available in radio and television, space is available in the print medium like newspaper or a magazine. So this there should be a proper blending and proper planning of what are you going to do. Planning in easy words is called as deciding in advance about future. Media planning is the process used by marketer to determine where, when and how they will publish the content. Wherever, whichever successful marketer, successful advertiser knows the crux about what kind of advertisement or what kind of campaigning they are supposed to do. Media planning will not involve only few tasks, but the majority tasks. The major thing is depending on the researching, identifying the needs of the customers, proper analysis, comparing, planning, and working around the client's budget. Also, these are the same features or the tasks undertaken by ad agencies. There are some companies which are already successful, which hold their own kind of departments, their own kind of media agencies. They know who all are the prospective clients, prospective customers, what they should offer to the industry, what they should not offer, which is my set of proper target audience, how am I going to deliver the advertisement, what kind of management am I going to do with my budget, with my plan, with my brand, everything. We will just see what are the different media planning challenges. Now these challenges are common for all different kinds of advertisers. It is not depending upon an advertising agency or advertiser which is very rich, which has huge funds, but it can be disastrous sometime if there is not proper planning done. For example, as I told in my session number 3, if I have to give an advertisement of an electronic appliance, home appliance, I cannot give the advertisement in the newspaper. Newspaper can be selected, but my primary target should be where the product demonstration is quite easy, and that is the most expensive medium, television. If I give the advertisement on television, that is going to be more fruitful because product demonstration is easy. Where as in the other medium, if I give the ad in the newspaper, people have to read the details and nobody has the time to read. But where if you can provide a small video for demonstration using good celebrities, it will be very fruitful. There are some challenges that I am going to discuss. First is insufficient information. If you have to be successful in any field, you have to see what who all are your clients, who all your consumers. You should study their taste, preference, habits, experiences, and also try to give them what they didn't get in the previous product or the service. And your product should be standing apart from whatever competitors are offering. So this is very important. Customer or consumer is the main stakeholder for any advertiser. For this kind of precision, it will require very in depth knowledge of what is the best route of sending the messages to the audiences, what they may like, what they may not like, how am I going to engage them, how are they going to react. Next thing is you have to be updated with what is happening in the market. If you do not know what are the trends happening in the market, if you do not know how is the economy is going on, if there is inflation, you need to be wiser enough while fixing the prices and allotting the budget for media selection. If there is deflation, depression and situations like COVID-19, so there can be a lag between what you're doing and what you're offering, since your products may not reach the audiences on time and you may not get the required expectation may not meet, may not match with what exactly you're offering. Time pressure is also very important. Suppose I am ordering something online, I saw something on Amazon. Suppose I want to order a shoe rack and I need the shoe rack in 2 days. I have to see the delivery date also. If the Amazon people are not offering me on the promised date, then it will be very difficult. And this was only about a normal consumer, where a client's money is invested. When a client is giving money to the advertising field, they should abide by whatever time and space slot is available so that he will be happy. They should plan accordingly, according to the seasons, according to the different conditions which are prevailing in the market, especially for the seasonal advertisement. Then measuring effectiveness and optimization is also very difficult for some advertisers. But if I talk about online advertising, it is very easy because I can see who all have visited my page, who all left my page, what are the backlinks, how am I going to get them back, etc. Then next is integrating results across various channels. If I have to combine all the advertisements results from different platforms, this is also very important. If proper care is not taken about who all read my advertisement, who all heard my advertisement, who all viewed my advertisement, if such research is not taken, you cannot attract that kind of traffic to your website. You cannot attract audiences, because somebody else will come and somebody else will, like your competitor is going to come in the competition and he or she is going to offer those goods and services. There are budget restrictions. Whenever we are implementing a plan, you have to be very thorough with what kind of budget you are going to use. Suppose I'm telling I have a proper blending of television, radio, and newspaper. These are my priority ones where I'm going to give the advertisement. So you need to be careful, because per second, limit per second advertisement on television is going to charge a lot, whereas it is much cheaper if I have to give advertisement on radio. And again, it is very expensive. Suppose I have to give the advertisement in Times of India on front page, multiplied by number of copies in circulation, so that is going to charge a lot from my pocket. These were very important challenges that people face. There are some components of media plan: marketing problem, marketing objectives, media strategies. These four are very important. I hope everybody got what I told. If there is any difficulty, any problem, do message me on Moodle, and please let me know if there is any difficulty with the understanding. Thank you all.